have a confession to make. I have a mild hearing loss, and I know exactly why. When I was younger, I spent way too many nights at loud rock concerts and way too many weekends out sport shooting without proper ear protection. At the time, I never thought about what that noise was doing or how it was affecting my hearing, but here I am, years later, noticing those effects. A recent Journal of American Medical Association otolaryngology study confirms what I've experienced firsthand. Long-term noise exposure speeds up hearing decline. People who have been exposed to loud environments, whether that's at work or concerts or their hobbies, are more likely to experience hearing loss earlier in life. The good news, though, noise-induced hearing loss is preventable. If you're in loud environments, protect your ears. Use earplugs, earmuffs, or some custom hearing protection. And if you've already started noticing muffled sounds, ringing in your ears, or trouble understanding conversations, don't wait. Get your hearing checked. Early intervention can make all the difference in restoring what you're missing and protecting the hearing you still have. Give us a call today.